We are now 3 weeks out to the start of early voting in the November election, and the Democrat running for Arizona governor is trying to steer the conversation to focus on abortion rights.
And Katie Hobbs held a roundtable discussion with supporters talking about the future of abortion rights in Arizona and what's at stake. She would not take any questions from any reporters. Political editor Dennis Welch is live near downtown Phoenix, where things just wrapped up.
Yeah, and abortion is one of those major issues this year that could end up deciding that pivotal race for governor. And I want to show you some numbers right now that kind of back all of that up. Emerson College, they'd released a poll earlier this month showing voters listed the economy as the top issue, but immigration and abortion were both tied for second. Now, the same poll also reveals a majority of Arizona voters disapproved of the Supreme Court's overturning of Roe versus Wade. The landmark ruling left Arizona with conflicting abortion laws on the books. There is the pre-statehood ban on all abortions, with the only exception being when a woman's life is at risk. And then there's the law passed just this year which bans abortions after 15 weeks. Kari Lake, the Republican nominee for governor, has said she opposes abortions. However, she would support exceptions for rape and incest. She has not yet taken a clear position on the pre-statehood law. Now, on the other hand, Hobbs has been consistent in her support for legal access to the medical procedure. She flatly opposes the so-called territorial law that would send doctors who perform abortions to prison for up to 5 years.
By overturning Roe v. Wade, the Supreme Court ended protection for reproductive freedom. Right now, our leaders are trying to bring back a 1901 law banning nearly all abortions in the state. This harms all women.
And over the past several weeks, Hobbs has been slammed by traditional media and on social media for refusing to debate Kari Lake face-to-face. Hobbs has also been a regular on Democratic-friendly news outlets in the months after the 2020 election. But as a candidate for governor, she has refused a lot of requests for interview. And that includes the roundtable event here today, where she did not make herself available for questions. Now, regarding that old territorial abortion ban that dates back to 1901 at the very least, we do expect that the courts will make a ruling on that as soon as tomorrow on whether or not that law is still on the books and that it goes back into effect. And that could be a big moment here in the state and definitely, again, shake up the politics and the dynamics of all of these races we're seeing here play out in Arizona this year. And I'll send it back into you.